Hello ladies and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. In this video, I'm gonna share with you this magic scrub for face with only 3 ingredients that you can find in your kitchen. So simple and easy and the results just amazing. Well, all we need is 2 teaspoons of ground coffee, 1 small potato, 1 teaspoon of honey. Let's firstly talk a little bit of the benefits of all these ingredients. Coffee grounds are a popular ingredient in skincare products and homemade scrubs due to their exfoliating properties. The texture of coffee grounds helps to slough off dead skin cells, leaving your skin smoother and brighter. Coffee also contains antioxidants that can help fight free radicals and reduce the signs of aging. Additionally, the caffeine in coffee can tighten the skin and reduce puffiness, giving your complexion a more refreshed appearance. Potato juice is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can be beneficial for the skin. It contains vitamin C, which helps brighten the skin and promote collagen production. Potato juice is also known for its natural bleaching properties, which can help lighten dark spots and blemishes over time. It has a soothing effect on the skin and can help reduce inflammation and redness. Potato juice is also believed to have a tightening effect on the skin, making it appear firmer and more youthful. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it attracts and retains moisture in the skin. It helps hydrate and nourish the skin, leaving it soft and supple. Honey has antimicrobial properties that can help combat acne-causing bacteria. It may help reduce breakouts and promote a clearer complexion. Start by washing the potato thoroughly and peel off the skin. Grate the potato and extract the juice by squeezing it through a cheesecloth or fine mesh strainer. In a bowl, combine 2 teaspoons of ground coffee with the potato juice. Add 1 teaspoon of honey to the mixture for extra moisturization. Mix well until you have a paste-like consistency. Cleanse your face with a gentle cleanser to remove any dirt and makeup. Apply the coffee and potato juice scrub to your face, avoiding the eye area. Gently massage the scrub onto your skin using circular motions for about 2 minutes. Leave the scrub on your face for about 5 minutes to allow the ingredients to work their magic. Rinse off the scrub with warm water, making sure to remove all traces of the mixture. Pat your face dry and follow up with your regular skincare routine, such as toner and moisturizer. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.